Hey guys, today I wanted to talk about some jobs, go over the job exploration portion of the jobs curriculum in Unique, which you guys all have access to, and you can do these on your own, but sometimes you might need somebody to walk you through them. So why don't we do this together, and then on your own, you can go in and do this lesson, okay? Now this lesson is, I believe it's number 17, Job Club Job Exploration. You have this form online that you're able to fill out on your own. So I'm going to fill it out with you today, and then on your own, you can go check it out and fill it out, maybe with parent or guardian if you need to. Once again, I'm going to scoot in. Come on now. So we can see all the words. Now this one is help wanted at Flora's Flower Shop. The job is junior florist. So a florist is someone who works at a flower shop. Now, we don't have a lot of flower shops around here that I can think of. We do have some on various corners around town. A lot of times people order their flowers online, but some people love flowers. I have a friend who loves flowers, and so she works at a garden nursery, which is where they keep all the plants and trees to sell for people to come by, and she is a florist there. So maybe you'd want to work in the garden center of maybe Home Depot or Lowe's or a Walmart or Target, wherever they have garden centers. Okay, the job description, this is telling us a little bit about the job. We have an opening for a creative person who is good with customers. Flora's Flower Shop arranges flowers for weddings, corsages, and other special occasions. The duties of this job include helping customers creating beautiful floral displays, and preparing flower packages for delivery. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then log that in the back of your mind. Job skills and attitudes. Excuse me. You're able to recreate floral arrangements by following a model, which means they would have one in front of you and they'd say, make it look just like this. Able to water flowers, able to assist customers in choosing flowers, able to be flexible and change routine, able to work with a team of coworkers, able to trim stems to proper length. Now, I know all of you guys, and I totally think that this is something that you can all do because you would learn how to recreate floral arrangements, to learn how, and then you'd be able to do it on your own. You would learn their way of watering flowers. You would know how to talk to customers and helping them pick a flower. And you guys are all pretty flexible. If something happens during our school day and we need to change things up, I don't have any of you falling on the ground crying. So I think you guys are all good at working together and you're all able to use scissors. So I think this is something you could do. The hours and the times are needed Tuesday through Friday, which means Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's 4 days from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. That's a full day, isn't it? It's like a, let's see, 7-hour workday. And if you want to apply, you have to complete an application and have 2 references. The references are, remember, the people that know you, and normally we would choose our job coach or your teacher, or maybe the manager at the local work site. And then you'd also interview with a floral supervisor, and the interview would be the supervisor asking you questions about how you feel like you could do at this job. Let's fill out this form together, shall we? The job category is horticulture. Horticulture. The location is Flora's Flower Shop, and the job title is Junior Florist. So these are things I need to look at to decide if this is something that's working for me. Remember, when you're filling this out, you have to fill out according to what you like. Okay, so a preference is, do I like working inside? Yes, I do. Yep. Do I like working with others? Sure. Do I like being creative? Yeah, I do. Do I like having a changing routine, which means I'm not doing the same thing over and over every day? I prefer that, but you might not prefer that. What skills do I have? Can I follow a model? Can I look at somebody else making a pizza box and then can I make it after they do? Absolutely. Able to count and sort items. You guys are pretty good at that. If I gave you a stack of stuff to count and sort, you'd be able to do it. I know you would. Able to care for flowers. Well, I don't know that I know how to do that right now, but it's something I bet I could learn. And able to help customers? Absolutely. Totally help it. So, do you have the skills needed? This is where we would write our answer in. I have skills, but I might need to learn how they do things. I'm going to put I need to learn how because I need to learn how to care for flowers, but I know I could do it if they showed me. How could you learn the skills needed? Ask for help and follow the model. What other skills may be needed for this job? Can you think of something else that you might need to do for this job? What other skills do we need to have? How about able, oops, where'd it go? Able to follow directions. If I need to learn how to, if I need to follow the model, then I have to follow directions, not just follow the steps. I need to be able to do the steps in order. Where could you get training? Let's see. Where could we get training? Maybe a coworker can help me, right? Like you guys, when we have a new person in our class, you guys all jump up and help train them for our work site. It's super helpful. Is this a realistic job for you? Sure thing. I think I could totally do this. So the reason why we do this, remember, is when you go to your adult day program, they're going to help you identify what jobs you'll do that'll make you happy. And then they will help you find work in that area. Even if it's not the exact place you want, they probably have a way to help you practice the skills needed to do the job you want to do. So it's really important that you identify things that you like and things that you're good at doing. Okay? All right, go try it on your own now, guys.